Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I have an awesome treat for you guys. I got the Progress rear sway bar for a GE8 Honda Fit. So what came in the box was the nuts and bolts and washers, and then the sway bar itself right here. You can see it, 19 millimeters thick. So it's a beefy boy right here. So let's install it. Put this jack back here. Here goes one. There's two. And slowly release it. Car seems fine. Need my torque wrench. I'm probably gonna need this one. And this is everything I need right here. So let's get this started. One, so there's 6 of these. There's 6 of these. Okay. So right here it does say insert the bolts in the beam as shown. Okay. Use washers and the nuts on the underside of the bar. Tighten all hardware. So these are gonna go on the bottom. So it's gonna go like that. Okay. So let me get underneath here. Let me get this bar here. What the hell? Is it really gonna go like that? Oh, I see. Gotcha. Okay, so let me do this one first. I got one right there. See how they want the washer. I'm gonna need some help here. So hold on. Oh, look at that. Hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. Let's put the second one on. Oh, the third one's supposed to go back here. But what I need to do, I need this. I need to lift this up. You feel me? So. There we go. That's a hard one. Let me use my head. I'm literally using my head to hold this thing up. That's how I'm able to. Nice. I might have to remove. This somehow, just to let that go through. It's the only way. There you go, underneath. There you go. there pretty much is. Come on. There we go. So now I can put this back on. Right there. I just gotta push this one down. There we go. It's somewhat there. There we go. That's pretty much in there. Now time to do the other side. Okay. Let me get this on. There's one. There's two. Oh, that one was easy. Look at that. Interesting. Okay, let me get one washer and nut. Look at how beautiful that lines up. There's one. There's two. And there's three. There they are. So now it's all about just getting in the. I'm gonna check on this side, see why. Well, I'm gonna check this side right here. Just this thing right here gets in the way. It really does get in the way. But pretty much done there. So now we just get some Allen keys that fit in there and torque this thing down. I'm curious if this one right here works. Wow, look at that. Perfect. First try. Whew, so I got it all done. So it actually wasn't that hard to do. So torque specs was between 38 and 42, so I did 40 pounds. And then I don't know, I guess I've seen videos people like removing this entire spring and everything, but I didn't have to. I mean, they go right in. So what I did, I cut off a tidbit of this part right here, this rubber, just like this fit in the Allen key, and it worked really good. Yeah, I'm not sure you can see how I cut it, but just barely, just trimmed it just a bit, just to get it in there. So this is it right here. This side was actually easier because that rubber piece is like sticking inward instead of out. So 40 pounds all around. Can't wait to see the difference in the ride. So I'll just probably record a few clips for you guys. So here they are. Damn. Dude, it grips to the ground. Damn. I like the way it goes.